Hey there, fellow green thumbs. Are you tired of trying to figure out which seeds to plant during each month of the year? Well, you've come to the right place because today we're going to talk about the best seeds to plant each month of the year. And trust me, I know my stuff. I once planted a bean seed and ended up with a whole beanstalk that led me to a giant's castle. Okay, maybe not really, but let's get started anyway. But first, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for our channel. First up, we have January. Now, you might think that planting seeds in January is impossible because it's too cold, but fear not. You can still plant some winter vegetables such as kale and broccoli. Interesting fact, did you know that kale is actually a member of the cabbage family and is packed with vitamins A, C, and K? It's like the superhero of the vegetable world. Not to mention it makes a great soup. Next up is February. This is the month of love, but don't forget to show your garden some love too. You can start planting seeds for lettuce and spinach, which are perfect for those Valentine's Day salads. Interesting fact, did you know that spinach is high in iron and was made famous by the cartoon character Popeye? Talk about a strong and healthy veggie. Moving on to March. This is the month where spring begins to bloom, and you can start planting seeds for herbs such as basil and parsley. Interesting fact, basil is not only delicious in Italian dishes, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So, it's like medicine and food all in one. Now it's April's turn. This is the month where you can start planting seeds for carrots and beets. Interesting fact, did you know that beets were used as a natural dye for clothing and even hair in ancient times? So, not only are they delicious in salads, but they can also give you a funky new hair color. In May, it's time to start planting seeds for cucumbers and zucchini. Interesting fact, did you know that cucumbers are made up of 95% water? So, not only are they refreshing on a hot summer day, but they're also great for hydrating your body. June is the month for tomatoes and peppers. Interesting fact, did you know that the hottest pepper in the world is the Carolina Reaper? It measures at over 2 million Scoville units, which is more than 400 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. So, if you're a spice lover, maybe you should give it a try. Next up is July, and it's time to plant seeds for beans and corn. Interesting fact, did you know that corn was first domesticated in Mexico over 9,000 years ago? And now, it's a staple food in many cultures around the world. August is the month for eggplants and okra. Interesting fact, did you know that okra is high in fiber and can help regulate digestion? So, if you're feeling a little backed up, maybe some okra should do the trick. In September, it's time to plant seeds for pumpkins and squash. Interesting fact, did you know that the world's largest pumpkin weighed in at over 2,600 pounds? That's like the size of a small car. Now it's October's turn, and it's time to plant seeds for radishes and turnips. Interesting fact, did you know that radishes were once used as currency in ancient Greece? So, if you're ever short on cash, maybe try paying with some radishes. November is the month to plant seeds for garlic and onions. Interesting fact, did you know that onions were once worshipped by the ancient Egyptians as a symbol of eternity due to their spherical shape and concentric rings? Lastly, in December, it's time to plant seeds for winter squashes such as butternut squash and acorn squash. Interesting fact, did you know that butternut squash is actually a fruit and not a vegetable? So now you can impress your friends with your newfound knowledge at your next holiday party. Well, there you have it. I've given you the best seeds to plant each month of the year. Now you can impress your friends with your gardening skills and fun facts at the same time. Remember, planting seeds is not only good for the environment, but also for our mental health and self-sufficiency. So let's get planting and watch our gardens grow. Until next time, my friends, keep it green. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.